In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link an epic to a story using Jira. If you're managing projects with multiple stories that roll up into larger bodies of work, understanding how to effectively link those stories to a corresponding epic is essential. This not only aids in organizing tasks, but also provides a clearer view of the progress of your overarching projects. So, let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to open up Jira software and locate the All Work tab at the top of your screen. This is your starting point for accessing all your project tasks, regardless of their size or scope. Once there, either scroll through your list or use the search functionality to find the specific story issue that you wish to link to an epic. Having all of your relevant issue keys or names handy can make this process much smoother. Upon finding the story issue you want, open it by clicking directly on its title. This action will bring up the detailed view of the issue, where you can see all its current attributes, comments, and history. Pay attention to these details, as understanding them is crucial for effective project management. Now, to proceed with linking your story to an epic, move your attention to the top right corner of the issue screen. There, you'll see a menu represented by 3 dots. Think of this as a gateway to additional options you can perform on your story issue. Click on it to unpack more features for customization and management. Within the drop-down menu, look for the option that says Add Parent. By selecting this, you're essentially initiating the process of associating your story with a larger epic. It's helpful to remember that in Jira's structure, an epic behaves as a parent issue, and the stories are its children. Next, a field will appear where you can search for the specific epic by name or key. For example, if you're looking for Epic 1P3, type this into the field. As you begin typing, a list of potential matches will appear. This search functionality in Jira is quite intuitive, helping you to quickly navigate through potentially hundreds of epics, especially in larger projects. From the list presented, select the correct epic that you want your story to be associated with. Make sure you've chosen the right one by double-checking its details. This ensures accurate reporting and task tracking later on. Finally, with your epic selected, simply click on Done to confirm the action. This step finalizes the association and links the story to the chosen epic, updating your project's structure and making it easier to track your tasks in the context of larger goals. By following these steps, you'll have successfully linked an epic to a story in Jira software, streamlining your project management process and ensuring your team stays on track. Thanks for following along, and happy project managing!